All children like sweets and salties possibly, but have you heard of Annika, who's crazy about broccoli? She's all of 5 years, a little over a table tall, and she helps in the kitchen in chopping the green veggie small. Bocokey, she calls it, as though it were a puppy. Sometimes she'd even talk to it, and that would make her happy. Oh, she'd flaunt one to her friends, saying, "This is my little tree," and then quickly nibble the top and say gleefully, "Yummy!" Her friends would all go, "Ooh, Annika, stop!" But she wouldn't listen. She was a little girl on a mission. Lunch or dinner, she had to have a broccoli. If it ever went missing, she'd ask, "Where's my little tree?" Her parents would then tell her, cooking up a story, "Your tree has gone to the forest to spend time with her family." To which Annika would say, "Trees are good. I love trees, especially the ones that are as small as me, my Bocokey." That brings us to the end of another bedtime rhyme. Off you go now into a land of beautiful dreams. This is MonMon wishing you all good night.